welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to show you guys step by step on how to request your unlock code. It's a free unlock code from AT&T. So this should be applied to T-Mobile and also for Verizon. As long as you pay off your equipment or finish off your monthly payment for your devices, you could do this and make sure you don't have any other balance or you owe the bill for your wireless company, whoever you're dealing with. This is the iPhone 7. And you want to locate on the IMEI number on the back. This is 256 gigabyte storage. And sometimes you don't want to go by the IMEI number on the back of your box if you're not too sure. So you will need to turn on the phone and then use the dialer *#06# and then read the IMEI number that's on the display instead of looking on the box, because you don't want to submit the wrong IMEI number and then end up to request your free unlock code again. So I'm going to show you guys on the computer and how to do the step-by-step instruction. And this applies for AT&T if you have any of the smartphone, tablets, any other devices that uses data or GSM. So let's go and then jump into that step. All right, we're over here right now at the computer. You want to go ahead and then Google search. And then I'm going to type in AT&T request unlock code. You should see the search. You want to go to the unlock a phone or device, AT&T device unlock portal. Going to click on that. All right, so right here, you could unlock your device as long as you met all the requirements, okay? And then you could always come back here and check your unlock status. So I told you already, if you don't know your IMEI number, turn on your phone and then use the dialer *#06#, and then you display or show your IMEI number. So let's go ahead and click on unlock your device. Alright, so this is pretty critical. So you want to go ahead and unlock your devices before you cancel with the AT&T, or else they might give you more hassle or problem later on. So it says be sure you are eligible to unlock your smartphone, tablet, or mobile hotspot. Wow, I didn't know you could unlock your mobile hotspot and use with a different company, but anyway. So it says, are you an AT&T wireless customer? I'm still an AT&T customer. I click on yes. And then right here, you will need to enter your current cell phone number. And then you gotta click on I'm not a robot. And then yes, I have read the legal stuff and agree to the device unlock eligibility requirements. So I'm gonna enter my cell phone number. And now it says select all image with the mountains or hills. click on yes, click on next. Alright, so right here you need to enter your account information. Whoever stands as a name on the account holder, you will need to enter their first, last name. And if you have a security password, you need to enter that in. And then the email where they're gonna send you a unlock request confirmation to your email. So make sure your email is legit. And then your current mobile number where you want to have sent a text message to. AT&T mobile numbers only. So if you are deployed military, you can click on yes or no. Then we're gonna go ahead and then click on next. And then now you're gonna enter your IMEI number. If you don't know it, dial *#06# on your device to find the IMEI number. Alright, so once you enter the IMEI number, it's gonna show you the make and then the model number. So I told you it is an Apple iPhone 7. Model number is A as in Apple 1660. I'm gonna click on submit. So it says, oops, looks like we are having network difficulty. Try it again later. But normally you would just say confirmation and then allow you to click on it and then finish it up. And then after that, it's going to send a message to your email to confirm that you have requests, but you got to be sure to reply or answer on your email. And then there's a link that you got to click on it to confirm your request for the unlocked device. So in case this doesn't work, you're gonna call the AT&T customer service and then talk to the representative and request for the free unlock code. And then once they, so normally it take about 24 to 72 hours to get like an email confirmation. And then after that, you will need to connect your Apple iPhones or any of your devices. For this iPhone, you will need to click on your iTunes. Make sure you back up everything, and then you're gonna click on restore. After you click on restore on your iTunes, and then you automatically show that your iPhone has been unlocked. Alright, so since I click on I'm a current customer with AT&T, that did not work. So I'm gonna click on I'm not a customer. So it says, are you an AT&T wireless customer? I click on no, not AT&T wireless customer. Enter the IMEI number. So it will show you the make again and then the model number. Click on I'm not a robot. So it's select all squares with the traffic lights. And then click on verify. And then make sure you check the box. Yes, I've read the legal stuff and agree to the device unlock eligibility requirements. And then click on next. So right here, you will need to enter your first and last name. And then the mobile number you want to receive, like a text message or anything like that. And then after that, you're going to enter your email address, your legit email address, and then you're going to confirm that email address again, and then click on submit. And after that, you give a confirmation number, and then that's it. So here I just check on my Samsung Note 10 Plus. It already gave me the confirmation. You already asking me to confirm your unlock request within 24 hours. It shows the IMEI number and then the request number on the bottom. So it says be sure to confirm. So I need to click on confirm in order to confirm my request. So I'm going to hit confirm. And then it says, thank you for confirming. So now I'm gonna wait. It says it might take up to 48 hours. So let's go ahead and wait and see. Sometimes it's earlier than that. Wow, I just got the email confirmation that AT&T approved the unlock request. So as you see, 10:39 a.m. I received the order status for the unlock code, and then around 10:45 I received the order status. So it says we approve your unlock request, and it is from AT&T around 10:45 a.m. So it says use these instructions to unlock your device. And it says unlock instruction using a non-AT&T SIM card. Remove your SIM card and insert a new SIM card. So you could use a Verizon, Sprint, or T-Mobile, or any of the prepaid service besides the AT&T SIM card in there. And then you're gonna complete the process setup. So be sure to use an AT&T SIM card to back up your iPhone. When you have a backup, erase your iPhone and then restore your iPhone from the backup you just made. So you need to connect your iPhone to your iTunes in order to do that, and then do the unlock processing. And then it says contact Apple support if you have additional questions. Thank you for choosing AT&T. So wow, that's the unlock request, and then completed has been less than 10 minutes. So yeah, it's pretty fast. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in a comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video like always. Peace.